Do you want to be cool? Do you want to be bullied in high school? I'm Necrozombicon, and I have a little video for you on tips on how to make a vest / battle jacket. I'll give you a little tour of my own. So, here's the video. This right here is my vest. If you guys can see that. The back, still a work in progress, but I got this Emperor patch. Show it more in detail later. Tips for your battle vest or battle jacket or whatever. Okay, so tip number 1, DIY is your best friend. If you can't afford to buy patches, if you can't afford to buy pins or anything like that, DIY is your best friend. To make a DIY patch, which I can make a video on if you guys want, if you want a visual example, all you really need is fabric paint or acrylic paint, either or. I prefer fabric paint because if you wash your vest or jacket frequently, it will not fade, unlike acrylic paint, which does fade over time. All of the patches that I made are acrylic because I haven't had the best of luck with fabric, but they've been holding up pretty well. You just need to layer it right, and then for what you need to apply paint onto, I recommend denim because it is a very thick material. And all you really need is a stencil, some sponge brushes things, and yeah, denim doesn't even need to be. You can go to the thrift store, buy a really cheap pair of jeans, or if you have an old pair of jeans, you can cut them up, make patches. Let me show you some of the patches that I made myself. We got Mortician, we have Life Lover. A lot of these I already have on my vest, but I like to give these out to my friends. I have like a blood splattered Mortician one, Obituary, No Effects, another Electric Wizard Dope Throne, and Blasphemer. So if you guys want a tutorial on how to make patches like these, I will gladly make a video, or you can find a video on YouTube that already exists already. No harm, no foul. Tip number 2, finding inspiration for your vest or jacket. What I like to do is I like to go on Pinterest. I like to search up battle jackets or battle vests or whatever, give it a quick look around, because I find it very difficult, and if you don't have anything in mind, I find it very difficult to find an inspiration for the layout for your vest or jacket. So what I like to personally do is I go on Pinterest and I just skim through the mountains and mountains and mountains of battle jackets, battle vests, see what I like. I do not recommend, I mean, you can go on Reddit, but there's a lot of people on there who are elitists that just dog on all of the fucking layouts, which, I mean, some layouts are absolutely atrocious, but doesn't mean all layouts are atrocious. So, going on the side of caution, if you're gonna go on Reddit, side of caution, just take everything with a grain of salt. Tip number 3: if you're having trouble when deciding what you want to do with your vest or your jacket, I like to sometimes think that picking a specific genre that you might want on your vest or jacket very important. Like, if you can't decide what bands you want on a vest or jacket, be like, okay, what genre do I listen to the most? I don't know, doom metal. You can make a doom metal vest or jacket, put some fucking, it doesn't just have to be like standard doom, it can be like anything under the doom branch. You can put some fucking Bongzilla, Electric Wizard, Pentagram, Candlemass, Saint Vitus, whatever the fuck you want. Examples, if you want to do like a death metal vest, obviously you gotta put some, you know, like, I don't know, Vader, Cannibal Corpse, Death, you know, just like, if you're ever having trouble coming up with stuff, you want to make a vest or jacket, have a theme. Tip number 4, this is something that I actually struggle with a lot, is having a even balance of colors of the patches. When I was making my jacket, which I have stripped a lot of the patches off for the vest, I was making my jacket, I was having a lot of trouble with the color scheme. As you see here, there's a lot of red on one side. There's a lot of black and white on the other side. There was a period of time when I was making it where one side was entirely black and white and one side was entirely like black, red, colorful. And I feel like it was just like such of I mean, some people you might like that. You might want like two differing sides, but it becomes a problem when it's just like a mixed bag and just have an equal amount of color and black and white patches. You're gonna want to distribute it equally, or else it's gonna look a little weird. From my experience, obviously you don't have to listen to me, but that's just one of the things I struggle with. If you guys want to look at the back, very, very like old school shit. Got Maiden, got Metallica, Ride the Lightning, and then fucking curtain wall guest appearance. Yeah, even like the sleeves were like black and white and stuff, and over here it was like very like red and yellow and colors and shit like that. So you're gonna want to think about the patch color distribution, right? Another tip that I have for you is eBay. eBay is awesome when it comes to buying patches. Back patches, I find all of the back patches that I want on eBay for a good price. These usually official merch stores, they price their patches like fucking crazy, like pull the plug patches. Their designs are fucking cool. Okay, I get it, but I don't like them, and I kind of refuse to buy from them because how expensive they are and how much they dog on fucking bootlegs. Okay, bootlegs are fucking fine. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it. It's the piracy of the clothing world. And if you can't afford something that's fucking cool, it's okay to buy bootlegs. Okay, get off of your fucking high horse, pull the plug patches. Fuck you. So eBay is your best friend. You will find a lot of back patches for like maybe 10 to 20. 20 is a little too high. But you know, 10 around that. A good price for a back patch, in my opinion, is around $10 to $15. If you really, really want it and want to fork over to $20, you can do $20. But I feel like a good price is $10 to $15. And most of the patches there, back patches that you'll find there, are that good of a price. You can find anything you want. Normal size patches, they have a lot of normal patches there for pretty good prices. There's a lot of sellers that sell the patches from $3 to $5. So eBay, very, very good. I feel like Depop and Vinted are also very good when it comes to patches. They're just a little harder to find because they're not very they're more like clothing oriented, you know what I mean? So yeah, eBay is your best friend when it comes to that. Dental, I actually really like dental floss as thread. It's very, very durable. It's cheap, it's durable, and it smells nice if you get the mint kind. Or maybe you don't like the smell, that's okay. But dental floss is your best friend when it comes to sewing your patches on because they're very durable. They will not break. Tip number 7, do not listen to anyone on the internet. Make your vest your own. Make it how you like it. Okay? It's your vest. It's your vest. You made it. This is your shit that you're wearing. Do not let anyone on the internet dictate whatever the fuck you're wearing. Okay? So this right here is my battle vest. Alright, that's the front. Still work in progress. Gotta resew some things. For the back patch, I want to add an electric wizard one over here across the shoulders. I have this like one specific electric wizard one that I want to have. Then I think might add some more black metal stuff on the bottom of the Emperor, or put some death metal or some Dune, whatever I want. But yeah, a lot of the patches that I have on the vest are DIY, and a lot of them are bought locally. So yeah, let me give you guys a little tour. On the right side, there's a lot of black metal and death metal patches, and exception to Acid Bath and Black Flag. But yeah, okay. So Whiplash patch, I got this when I saw them at the Terragram Ballroom. There's a video of the show, and I can see myself in my old battle jacket, and it's very cringy. This is a patch. It's from a magazine. I forgot what it's called, but my friend gave it to me. There's a lot of pins over here. A lot of the pins that I have aren't even metal. Like, I have Molchadama. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. Yeah, this is Bauhaus one over here. Same with my really shitty Bela Lugosi's Dead patch over here. Void patch. I got this at the Whiplash show because they were opening for Whiplash. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a very nice patch. It's triangular, so I didn't know what to do with it, so I just slapped it on here and then I shrouded it with pins. Bathory patch. Cannibal Corpse patch. This is D.I.Y. Morbid. Acid Bath. Black Flag. This is a Texas Chainsaw Massacre patch that says, what does it say? I'm hooked on you. Vader patch I made. Typo Negative patch. And this Life Lover patch that's coming apart. I used floss as thread for the patches. There are little parts. There's little sections like the Whiplash patch. This is sewn on with regular like yellow thread, but I used primarily floss, dental floss. They can get at like the dollar store or Target for pretty cheap. On the right side, this is where it gets a little messy. So on the right side, I have this Bauhaus patch that I made. It doesn't look very good, but it's a Bauhaus patch. Loteria patch. And El Santo, for those who know. Homer patch. Or not patch. Homer pin. Homer Simpson pin. Judas Priest, Bolt Thrower. Ozzy, rest in peace. Chucky, Chucky's knife, Myers, Pink Floyd, Metallica, D&D pin of the Mind Flayer, Megadeth, and The Cure, not metal. Mortician patch that I made. Shit Not Megadeth. Favorite Megadeth album. Electric Wizard. Dope Throne that I made. Keck the Rock. I don't care if you guys call me a fucking poser. I like Keck the Rock. Okay. This one is really shitly done. I have to repaint it or make another one. Ghostface patch that I got from the same vendor that I got the Leatherface one. I got Sodom over here. It's designed. I made it myself. It's designed to look like in the Sign of Evil. The album cover, the text on the side right next to Blasphemer. Black Sabbath and Maiden. It's a little tour of my vest. But yeah, that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed these little quick tips. And I will see you all next time. Bye.